Our next step is to just finish off the face with this soft focus photochromatic powder, which is excellent because it can be used for a natural look with or without foundation. So just gently press the brush into the powder, tap off any excess if there is, and then again blend downward. And this Spiced Rum is the shade that we're using on Nikki. It also comes with a touch-up powder puff, but when you're applying it in the morning or whenever you're going to use your powder, it's easier to just use a brush and gently brush everything down, blending into the jawline. And if you're wearing, depending on the type of clothes you're wearing, if you have to, you can always go into the neck and décolleté area. Look up. And if you want to apply, stepping over here, if you want to apply a little bit more coverage for underneath the eyes, just use a smaller fluffy brush, starting in the outer corner and working the way in. Super simple, made for the woman on the go.